If you got Amazon Prime, you also get free movies. So I'm gonna show you how to set it up on your television. Here on mine, you see, I'm gonna go to my search, and I'm gonna search for Amazon Prime. So I just spell it out, Amazon, put a space, and you see it there at the top. I'm gonna go there, hit Prime Video, and hit Add to Channel. So it asks for my code. I enter my code on my Ruka TV, and it's adding the Prime Video channel. But there's a few more steps you have to do once it's 100% added. And hit OK. It say it have been added now. But now you're gonna have to enter your email address and password. So I'm gonna sign in and start watching. I'm gonna click OK. And once I hit that OK, it's asking for my email address and password. So I enter that in and hit sign in using a secure server. So now I have to verify my TV. So I can hit OK and get the code, but I'm gonna take you to the computer first. I'm gonna go to Amazon.com, my TV. So I'm here on my laptop computer. As you can see, I'm on www.amazon.com.my.TV. So now it's asking for that registration code. So what you do, you go to your TV and hit OK. It's going to give you a code, and you enter that code here on your computer. And once you enter that code and hit register, it's going to say successful. So now you can go back to your TV and hit continue. It verify your TV. And this smart TV, now you got your Prime Video. So you got a lot of free videos you can watch. So if you did all that Prime shopping and you signed up, these are your, go ahead and take advantage of the television. So that's all to it. As you can see, I'm gonna click on my Prime. And I got plenty of movies I can watch. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.